Hello, it's How To Not To, and in this video I'm going to show you the best 5 top wash machines of 2024. So here we go. So at number 5 we have the AEG 7000, and this is a great mid-range option with a powerful spin speed of 1600 RPM. It's a smart functionality and an excellent energy saver as well, so it's energy efficient, and this is ideal for those looking for a balance of cost and features. So let's have a closer look. This particular model is the 10 kilo capacity, and quite a large drum this has, and the depth is 660. So yeah, it has many cycles, Wall Plus program, so you can wash your walls on that cycle. You got your delicates as well, and your cotton programs. Not sure how long the cottons program is, and it has all the other features as well, like your child lock, and it's got a stain action option as well to remove those tough stains from your clothes. So the cost of this washing machine is £949, and so that's the AEG model at number 5. And at number 4, at number 4 we have the Whirlpool 5.3 model, which is a top loader. This one is. It has high efficiency as well, same as the AEG, and the best overall. This is the best overall washing machine according to some of the reviews I've read. It boasts a large capacity as well, and it has a removable, so it's a 2-in-1 removable agitator. I was about to say alligator. It has a built-in dual temperature faucet and brush. So that increases more water to help break down loose soils, and that's when you select the deep water option. And with the smart appliance, you can connect to more features on this wash machine. As I mentioned before, it has an automatic pre-soak option that allows you to soak up to 15, 30, 60 or 120 minutes. Then the washer will add the water and the detergent for soaking. It's got an active bloom wash action, which is a adaptive wash technology with active bloom wash action which senses the size of each load and then adapts it according to the water levels. And it has a delay start option as well. It has a 360 wash agitator option. This is a 2-in-1 removable agitator. You can easily reinsert the agitator whenever you want to switch back from the impeller. Multiple wash motions. It moves those up and down and side to side throughout the cycle. Cleaner effect of your clothes. It has a lot of clever functions on this washing machine. It also has the quick cycle, which will take 30 minutes on the quick wash cycle. It has a lot of features and options there, as you can see. Spin speed is up to 850 RPM on this particular machine. And there it's showing you the wash cycles it does. It does bulky items, clean, washer with a fresh. That's a new one on me. It does the cold wash, colours, delicate, drain and spin. You've got your favourite cycle, your heavy duty, normal, quick and regular. And it does the rinse and spin as well. And other cycles you can see there. Almost there. At number 2 we have the Samsung 5.5 high efficiency, another top loader washer. So what does this have? Well, known for its huge capacity, it's a great family washing machine, and it includes an auto dispense detergent system and a special pet hair removal tool, making the laundry easier to use. And the cost of that is around $1,079. So I'm just waffling on here, as you can tell. It has a built-in water faucet, lets you easily pre-treat soiled or heavily stained clothes with a press of a button. This model can deal with heavily soiled clothes, and it also has a deep fill option, so this automatically adds extra water basically at the right time to ensure that your clothes are thoroughly soaked through. So that's another clever feature there. It's compatible with Alexa and Wi-Fi as well. The number of wash cycles is 5, but probably those 5 washing cycles is all you need to wash clothes, hey? However, the number of wash options is 10, so that's good. And it has all the other features that a washing machine has these days, the child lock, self-cleaning. What more can I say on that? So that's your Samsung. This is the top loader, extra large capacity with a smart top load washer with super speed wash as well. More on that later. So the super speed is 28 minutes. And you got again, it's got an active water jet installed in the machine, which is pretty good if you got stains to remove. Okay, what's at number 1? At number 1, no surprise there, is the Miele, which is a front loader, and it's this one here, 9 kilogram drum, 1600 spin speed. It's also got a quick power wash as well, and the price of that is $2,149. No surprises there. But I have heard that the Miele washing machines are a good make, and they do last for years and years. Basically, I think they last up to over 10 years. Comes with a 5-year warranty. That's if you buy it on their site, on their webpage. Simple controls by tapping or swiping, and it has a precise automatic detergent dispenser with twin doos. Wow, look at that. It has a quick power wash, so it can wash your clothes on the quick wash cycle in just 49 minutes. And I'd say that is not a quick wash. That is more like an average, everyday cycle. Usually the quick wash is, on particularly the Samsung washing machine, is about 15 minutes to 25 minutes, I'd say. So this is quite a long quick wash, to be honest with you. So let's go back to the twin doos, automatic detergent dispensing. What does that mean? Regulates the detergent to the right amount at key moments throughout the wash program, basically. So saving energy as it runs the washing machine. Should we read more on that? Yeah, come on, let's go back to some proper specifications. This has a single wash, which can wash small loads effectively, saving you even more energy, up to 62% or 81%, and uses less water as well. Am I reading that right, guys? It has a stain option as well, so it can get rid of stubborn stains, which is a premium option. Allows you to target up to 3 types of stains, that is, in a single washing cycle. This is down to the varied selection of 23 stain option programs. These include wine, grass and coffee stains. So that's good to know. So why so long on the quick wash? Let's read more on that. Spin and spray. That's why. It spins and sprays intuitively to minimise water consumption while it's maintaining the same level of efficiency. Very technical words being used here. Is it necessary for the average person to understand the complexities of the Miele wash machines. So I think what everybody wants to know is the wash programs. We've got Automatic Plus, which is a mixed load, so you can wash mixed types of laundry on this particular cycle, like cottons and polycottons can be mixed together. And you got your wool option as well. What else do we have on this washing machine? We've got the silk cycle, and same as delicates, I guess. And it's also got curtains cycle, which is a rarity. So yeah, so it does a pre-wash as well to remove any dust on your curtains or dirt. It does your shirts as well, preventing creases. And sportwear, you got your outerwear as well. Wouldn't that be the same as sportwear? Let's move on. It's got proofing. I'm not sure what that is. Best proofing effect. Thermal fixing ensures optimum water repellent properties. Pillows. Even got a pillow cycle. It also does your duvets, down duvets that is, and do your trainers. I have done a video on how to wash your trainers, so if you want to check that out, subscribe to my channel. A video on that, I think it went out last week, if not last week, the week before. So yeah, that's good to know, because I do have material type trainers that do need a wash in the wash machine, especially when they get wet. Yeah, that's great. So it's got lots of other features. So that's at number 1. And if you agree with or disagree, then let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.